Dates have been a staple food in many cultures for centuries. Not only are they delicious, but they are also incredibly nutritious. In this video, we will explore the amazing health benefits of dates and how they can help rejuvenate your body and mind. Dates are a rich source of vitamins and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. They are also high in fiber, making them an excellent food for digestion. But that's not all. Dates have been shown to have many other health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, improving brain function, and boosting energy levels. Studies have found that regular consumption of dates can reduce the risk of heart disease by decreasing cholesterol levels and improving blood sugar control. Dates are also good for the brain. They contain flavonoids that have been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, and learning. Dates are an excellent source of energy. They are high in natural sugars and carbohydrates, making them a great pre-workout snack. And let's not forget about the mental health benefits of dates. They are rich in serotonin, which can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. So, how can you incorporate dates into your diet? There are many ways to enjoy this delicious fruit. You can add them to your oatmeal, smoothies, salads, or simply eat them as a snack. With all these health benefits, it's no wonder why dates are considered a superfood. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating dates into your diet today and feel the rejuvenating effects on your body and mind.